Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn addition of integers. For addition of integers we have two rules. We should follow these two rules for the addition of integers. And rule 1, to add two integers of same sign. What? To add two integers of same sign. We add their values regardless of their signs and put the common sign with the sum. If integers have same sign, so you have to add the values of that integer and put same sign, which is the common sign of the sum. And rule 2, to add a positive and negative integers, means you have to add the integers opposite sign integers, a positive and a negative integer. We find the difference between their numerical values regardless of their signs and put the sign of the integer with the greater value to 8. That means if we have to add the opposite sign integer, that means a positive sign have one integer and negative sign have second integer, and we have to hit that two integers. So you have to take out the difference between that value of difference. You have to find out the difference of the given integer's value and put the sign of the integer with the greater value, and which is the greater integer you see and which sign that integer have, you have to put that one sign only in difference, means in answer. Okay, so add 15 and minus 7. If the question is add 15 and minus 7, so solution, add means plus sign. First of all you put 15, then add means which sign, plus sign, and minus 7. So student, you can see here the both sign together, plus and minus. Okay, so 15 is positive integer and 7 is negative integer, so both integer have different sign. So in case of this, you have to subtract these numbers, 15 minus 7, 8, and in answer which sign will come, the greater integer. Which is the greater integer? 15. So 15 has plus sign, so in answer also you have to put plus sign. And add minus 15 and minus 2, both integers have same sign integers are here, and minus 15 add, for add you will put here plus and minus 2. Minus 15 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 7, same sign. If the integers have same sign, you have to add that value. 15 also minus sign, 2 also have minus sign. Both are negative integers, so 15 plus 2, 17, and both integers have minus sign. That's why you will put here minus sign in answer. Understand?